I'm sure you've heard the news, remote start on your Elantra can be a game changer. But what happens when it just doesn't work? Let's walk through why and how to fix it. First, check if your Elantra is actually in park. Remote start won't work if your car's in gear or if the hood is open. Next, make sure all doors, including the trunk, are fully closed and locked. Even a slightly open door can stop the system. Now, is your check engine light on? If it is, remote start is automatically disabled until the issue is fixed. Same goes for a low battery in your key fob. If it's weak, the signal won't reach. Try swapping in a fresh battery. Don't forget, some Hyundai Elantras have remote start only on certain trims, or require an app subscription like BlueLink. Double-check your model and year in your owner's manual just to be sure. If you still have trouble, try this. Unlock. Then lock your car with the remote and immediately press the remote start button. Sometimes the order matters, and if nothing works, it might be time to visit a Hyundai technician. But most issues are simple, so a quick check usually does the trick. Now you know the basics to troubleshoot your Hyundai Elantra's remote start. For more quick car tips, subscribe and stay tuned.